Okay, good morning from San Pedro.
Morning.
Today we're heading to a cooking class.
So it's a Mayan cooking class. She takes you to the market. You go back and cook the Mayan dish and you have dessert. And then she does a free weaving demonstration after, which is really cool.
Yeah.
So bang for your buck. This is one of the most popular things to do here in San Pedro.
Super excited. Gonna show off a little bit of San Pedro and then cook up some delicious food.
All right, see you soon.
See you. We absolutely love seeing all this street art and these murals.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
That's where we get making us food. That little store.
Wow. Pretty warm already this morning. 8:46 a.m. This art is insane. One of the prettier streets, I think, here.
Yeah, this is definitely the street with the most realistic and colorful artwork.
Yeah. All right. All right, so we got about 10 minutes before we meet the cooking class. Watching San Pedro kind of come alive this morning. This is the main dock to get into town. Tons of cafes, tons of restaurants, great viewpoints.
We haven't tried any of them yet.
Yeah.
When we do, we'll give you a review.
We need to eat some of these. Okay, so we are here with our Spanish class getting the menu.
So all of you, you're gonna make your choices. In our class today, we're gonna prepare one main dish, one dessert, and one side. It takes like 2 hours to prepare, okay? So let's go, have a look, and then let me know what are your choices.
Great.
Okay.
Your English is amazing.
Sounds good.
I understand.
Yeah.
Muchas gracias. So you can't believe how much impact you as a tourism are doing in my country, in my community. And the reason to go and visit the local market is to support these local vendors as well. I feel so blessed. I born here in San Pedro. I grew up here. I know everybody, as everybody knows me. I feel that I am one of the most privileged here in the town. I can say that I am one of the most blessed here in the town. Working with tourism, it's been open to me huge opportunities. Here, I was an 8-year-old girl when I introduced myself with tourism selling bananas. I think with a big smile, my personality, I just make friends easily. Every time I met a new person, I just asked them, how can I say this? How can I say that? Little by little, I created my own dictionary without any expectation that one day I will run my own business. I never thought that one day I will become a mentor. I never imagined that one day I will become an inspiration to many people. So the reason to go and visit the local market is to support these local vendors without bargaining with their prices. No haggling. I hate, as I said, if I am conscious that I feel so blessed, it's time for me to bless other people. And it's so necessary for me to explain to you this information because without your support, I can't keep doing what I am doing. So which means the 6 of you today, we're gonna hold our hands and we're gonna bless these people. If you're looking for some souvenirs, baskets, clay pots or something, please support these local vendors. They really need more than the big companies around the lake or in the cities. So if you have your cameras, your phones with you, you are allowed to take pictures. It won't be necessary to ask permission. It's so funny. When you tell them, can I take a picture of you? They're so sweet and kind. They said, yes. God, they changed their take pictures or videos in a natural way, okay? And before we leave, I wanted to introduce you my beautiful friend, Joya. So if maybe you didn't have a breakfast or you want to have a snack with you or just because you want to support a local person, they cost 15 quetzales, like $2. So if you want to support her, amazing. If not, maybe later, tomorrow, or another day, or when you come and visit San Pedro. Okay? Muchas gracias.
Cinnamon roll. Had to.
Ready?
Ready.
Vamos. Let's go.
Some mountain dogs.
Keep up in the volcano.
We just and share the love to different people. Related to zucchini.
So we're going around to different vendors right now, buying different ingredients that we need for the day for our different meals that we're cooking. I think we're doing pepián, the national dish for Guatemala, and we're also doing tamales on the side as well, and a dessert, and fruit, and there's all kinds of stuff. So right now we're just trying to support as many different local vendors as we can and spread the love.
They introduce coffee for us. We call them mushante.
Huge lines and lemons.
8 quetzales, like $1. Yeah.
That's a cinnamon stick right there. Absolutely wild.
I'm learning so much.
Again, for you.
Wow. Muchas gracias. Adiós. Adiós. Just leaving the market now and heading back to cook up some delicious food with Anita and the friends. Hola. Buenos días.
This is my dream kitchen.
Please feel like at home. So this is the spot where we're gonna cook today.
Incredible. Very nice.
From the bottom of the head of the onion, then we rotate very slow, deep, chop, chop, chop. Rotate, deep, chop, chop, chop. Then we use these 2 chiles that we have here. Chile pasa, the name is like a raisin. It's only for flavor. You can smell and pass to the next person. See? Looks like banana leaves. They are not. See?
See?
My queen. My king. Here we have the leaves. One of the measurements that my mom she used to use, it's a quarter. A quarter means like the middle finger and the thumb. A quarter of what? I don't know. She never explained to me. Okay? So we just go where the leaf starts. Here, right there, we push our finger through. See? Rip all the way out.
All right.
Then we grab from the middle and pull it up. Where the leaf starts again, bend it, 6 inches, push your finger through, pull all the way out, pull it up. Every single time that you have stick, bend it, twist it, pull it up. After you have a big bowl, it's done. If you go here, your stems, they can stop it in our pot. Okay, like this. Lay down here.
Okay. And all of the tomatillos?
All of the tomatillos. 2 heads of onion, lay down. Cilantro, we remove, roasted. Okay? Here we have a sesame seeds. Muy bien. This, what we're preparing is Guatemalan rice and a pinch of oregano. That's it. So we have just a second. I will just give them instructions. Excuse me, guys.
Of course. Looking amazing. Now it's mint time. So a year.
So like I do, okay, 4.
Just this batch. Cilantro goes into this.
She knows what she's doing, man. I love this.
Then,
Yeah. We're trying to do both things at once, so we'll try it.
all of them. We have
Very important.
very gently use this side. Very gently press. Once it's cracked, You just go in the middle, press again gently, and you open your avocado like that.
Wow.
Now help me to add cheese. All of that cheese go in and mix together. Okay? Muy bien. Perfecto. Spoon, one for you, one for Grace. Muy bien.
Gracias. All right, right now we're going to start mashing some avocados. We just tasted like 8 different ones.
If you want to open one by hand, go ahead.
Okay.
And then in the middle, press. In the bottom, press. Okay, now open it. Muy bien.
Hey, you did it.
After we mash the avocados, we're gonna add pineapple, onion, tomatoes. We already add mint, cilantro. Also, we're gonna squeeze 1 lemon juice, salt, 8 ingredients
Wow.
for the guacamole. All of us who wash our hands, we started to assemble the tamales.
It's delicious.
Absolutely incredible.
Not too big, not too small, like this size. Okay? Muy bien, a little bit more. Fold all over the top. Then how to say, push in the bottom. Tuck in the bottom.
To do.
Yeah. She said everyone's doing really well, or you just have a really good teacher.
Very nice.
So tomatoes, tomatillos, bell pepper, cilantro with roots and scallion of onion, head of onion, and here we have all of the spices that we've been roasting, like paprika. Not exactly, but yes. Pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, cloves, thyme, bay leaves, cinnamon, oregano, all of these we've been roasted as well. Now we start blending always with tomatoes. The rest of the ingredients, water or chicken stock. And this is the way how I could personalize the word thank you for being part of this project. Thank you for visiting my country. Thank you for choosing Lake Atitlán, and I hope this energy will wrap you up your soul. So thank you very much. Enjoy this snack time.
Thank you.
Crying. She's so incredible.
We've actually loved this day, loved this cooking class so far.
I
Sorry.
would do this like once a week just to like hang out with her.
Yeah, I apologize for hardly any talking going on during this. It's hard to do both, but we've had so much fun. We cannot recommend Anita enough.
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave her information plenty down below. But yeah, right now we're gonna go eat snacks.
Habanero spicy that we got with the ladies. We put in the cup of the guacamole.
So this is what's left after snack time, and we ate a lot.
And we still have to eat our main course.
Yeah.
The leaf didn't add any flavor. And here we have the Guatemalan rice. Then we just dig in the bottom. Use the back of the ladle, press it down. Then grab your plate, lean, flip, press it down. Okay? Well done, everyone.
We did everything and nothing.
We start serving your meal here, your beverage. We have glasses.
She said to lean it.
And you're very welcome.
That was done.
And chicken, right? Is this piece okay?
Yes.
Muy bien. All of the veggies?
Yes, please.
I just hope you like it.
If you made it, I will.
Guacamole.
We made it.
Chips, you made it. Exactly. And we have like big reunion, families, or special days. It sounds like this. Hawaii. Hawaii means enjoy the meal. Hawaii, 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 Hawaii.
Hawaii. I think that about wraps up our video today with cooking class with lovely Anita here. So we're gonna leave her information down below. If you're gonna be in San Pedro, please reach out. She's an incredible, beautiful, wonderful woman doing amazing things here in San Pedro. And you definitely need to get to know her story, and eat her delicious food that you get to cook.
It's amazing.
Yeah, so thank you, Anita, so much. Yeah.
Gracias.
So we're gonna definitely be here a lot more interacting with Anita and helping her whatever we can do.
Muchas gracias. You will be very warm welcome. Thank you for visiting Guatemala. Thank you for coming around the Lake Atitlán. We just hope to host you one day.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
We don't know what we're doing next. Probably going to be back here for a weaving tour. We'll see. But all right. See ya.
No chills.
We're okay.
Okay.